Okay, today we are going to talk about how to create a simple game by using Godot game engine. We have here 2D scene and 3D scene. As you see here, this is the 3D scene and this is 2D scene. Firstly, we need to add a 2D scene from here. And you can see this is a parent node. It's called node 2D. Before we start, we have to upload or to make importing for all of the assets that we will need it in the project. So as you see here, this is the background picture, and this is the sprite car. And also we have our car like this. So if you need to add any child node as an asset, you can do it by drag and drop technique. So this is the first one, and you can see this is this rectangle. It's called the scene frame. You can use it to fit this picture, to fit the scene. So I am using here the scale mode tool to stretch up this picture or this background to make it fit the frame, and by using the move tool also this one to move it. And I will make this enhancement. Yes, there you go. So we will add also the car sprite as a sprite node like this. As you see here, the background and the car are now the child nodes for the parent node. It's called node 2D. So I will minimize this sprite a little bit like this and put it here in the root. And also I will add the rock here like this. Okay, very well. Now we need to control the movement of this sprite car by using the keyboard. How could I do this? Firstly, I will go to the project and project settings, and I will make input map. Okay, this input map, this is simply you have to connect the event with the action. Okay, so I will add action here. I will delete all of them. Okay, I will add a new action. For example, I will name it right and click add. And then the second one, I will name it left. You can name it anything else as you like. And this is up. And this is down. Okay. And then we will add the event here, add event for each action. So I will click on this plus, and you can see here there are 4 options for events: keyboard keys, mouse buttons, joypad buttons, and joypad axis. So I will click on keyboard keys and I will choose right arrow. Where is the right arrow? I think it's here. Yes, this one. Right, and click OK. I will repeat the steps for all the keys. This is left. I need to go. Yes, this is left. And this is up. Finally, this is down. Okay. So I will close the input map, and this is the part of the code. Okay. I need, this is the rope. Where did the rope? It must be here. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is, I will delete it and I will add it again. All right. If you need to add any code for the game, any game, it consists of the graphics, some of graphics, and the code to make this graphics move. So I will click on the car node, right click, and then choose add attach script. I will choose attach script to add the code. Okay, So I will create this one. I will remove all of this and I will write it again. As you see here, we have here two main functions, ready function and process function. The ready function, it's used to run the code inside it just only one time at the beginning of the run of game. But the process the vice versa. So the process function, it's used to make or to run all of the code during the run of the game. Okay, so I will go here inside the process and I will start to write the code. I will make if condition. I will say if input dot is action pressed. I have here is action just pressed, is action pressed, is anything pressed, is joy button pressed, and so on. So I will choose is action pressed. Is action pressed what? I will choose right. Respectively, I will choose right, left, up, down. So I will go, what will happen if the action right is clicked? I will choose translate function by vector2 to set the coordinates x and y. So I need to go 5 steps in x and 0 for the y. So I will repeat this code 4 times. So I will copy that and write this one, paste and paste. Okay, make sure the indentation. You have to see or to consider the indentation because we are writing GDScript based on Python programming language. The indentation, it's very important. So I will change the right by left, and this one, it will be up as I named it before, and right, it will be down. Okay, so now we will change the coordinates. Instead of 5 in the x, so I will go left to, so it will be -5, that will be 0, and up it will be -5, down it will be 0 and 5, because the y positive is down, not up. Okay, very well. So I will make Control S and run the game to see what will be the output. As you see here, I will open the keyboard, virtual keyboard, to see the run will be. Okay. Very well. This is the keyboard, and I will run the game. As you see here, this is the game. I will minimize this one to see it. Okay, as you see here. And I will click, as you see, up and down. Okay, as you see here, all of the movements, it's working properly. But I have here one problem, guys. When I will move left, the car, it's go back by its back. You can see. No, I need to make a flipping. How could I do this? We will change the right or translate. I will add, sorry, a function, a new function. It's called set scale. Set scale. By vector2 also, because we have here two coordinates to set the scale. I will take the scale of the car by go here for transform, and you can see here the scale x and y. I will take a copy from this picture, from these numbers, and paste it here inside the code in the x, and the y, it will be 0.62. I will copy it and paste it here in the set scale. Control X, Control C, S, sorry, and I will run again. As you see here, there is something happen because I don't change the sign. It will be negative 0.571 and the normal y. So I will run the game, and you can see here, this is left and this is right. Yeah, it's sound good. But the right also, the left also, it has a problem. So I will repeat this one, the city scale inside the left also. After the translation of x of left, I will change it by make it positive. So I will run for the last time. This is the final result, guys. This is left, right, left, right. Yeah, it's working properly. And this is the first part for the game development tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.